Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add scrolling text in CapCut on PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch CapCut on your PC and open or create a new project. Step 2. Click on text in the toolbar, then select add text. Type in your desired text. For this example, I will type like and subscribe to how to. Step 3. Go to animation, then select loop and find the scroll up effect. Adjust the speed and direction as needed. Step 4. Position the text where you want it, review your video and make any final adjustment. And that's it. Now you know how to add scrolling text in CapCut on PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How To for more easy guides. See you next time.